This is a traditional Swedish crumble pie or smulpaj, and it pairs perfectly with an authentic Swedish vanilla sauce. This dessert is incredibly loved in the summertime. It is very easy to make, requires absolutely no special kitchen tools, and it's unbelievably tasty. The best part, it takes less than 30 minutes to make. The tangy taste of the fresh fruits combined with the smooth, rich vanilla sauce, it's truly the absolute best pair. We start directly in our baking dish with fresh or frozen raspberries. I use frozen today. Sprinkle over sugar and potato starch. Toss them together to ensure the fruit is evenly coated. By tossing them together like this, it prevents the berries from becoming too watery and helps the filling hold together beautifully after baking. Next, the crumble. Combine your flour, sugar, salt and oats. Don't forget about the butter and work in some softened room temperature butter with your fingertips. You want a clumpy, pebbly texture, but do not overmix it. Scatter it right over the berries. Leave some big textured chunks on top. And just like that, our crumble pie is fully assembled and ready to go. Pop into the oven at 225 Celsius degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. While our raspberry crumble bakes, let's make the traditional Swedish vanilla sauce. Split a whole vanilla bean down the center, scrap the seeds directly into a saucepan or milk and toss it empty pot in there too. Add the whole milk and the heavy cream and bring this to a simmer over medium heat. Do not let it to fully boil. Remove it from the stove and let it infuse for 5 to 10 minutes. In a separate bowl, whisk together the egg yolks, sugar and the cornstarch until pale and thick. Remove the vanilla pod from your warm milk. Now slowly pour a thin, steady stream in the hot dairy to the egg mixture while whisking constantly. This tempers the eggs so they stay completely smooth without scrambling. Pour everything back into the saucepan over the low-medium heat. Stir constantly, scraping the bottom of the pan until it thickens into a rich sauce. Do not let it to boil or the eggs will curdle. Once it's thick and has this texture, strain into a bowl. You can add a cube of butter if you like for smoothness and silkiness. Let it cool completely in the fridge. This homemade sauce stays fresh for 3 to 4 days, perfect to pour generously over your warm raspberry smulpaj. Look at that absolute perfection. Because it's fresh out of the oven, the crust is beautifully frail and crumbly and the center is incredibly juicy. Pairing this hot tart raspberry crumble with that silky chilled Swedish vanilla sauce, it's pure summer magic. If you want to bring a taste of Sweden into your kitchen, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite berry, and subscribe for more authentic, easy recipes. See you in the next video.